Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to download Kali Linux on your Raspberry Pi. So first, you need a 32 GB SD card. So yeah, so at least you have 16 or more. So I recommended using 32 GB on your SD card. So you're gonna need that. So first, we're gonna go to the installation. So the installation, we need we need two application to do this, and one for the OS image. So first, we're gonna install the SD card memory formatter. So we're gonna format our SD card. So if you're if you're brand new, if you're just buy new card, you don't need SD card formatter anyway. So basically, if you're gonna delete your all memory, all data on the SD card, you need to install this formatter. And next is Balina Etcher. I don't know how to pronounce this. So this so easy. We're gonna flash your image to your SD card in order to run on your Raspberry Pi. So that's the second thing. And last, we're gonna go to, where is it? So Raspberry Pi Foundation. It's 2020. So this is very important. So the version, and you're gonna install Kali na Raspberry Pi, and this one 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna get this one. And that's the three thing you need to do. So you're gonna get the image file. So first, we're gonna download the SD card formatter. So if you're pick your OS or Mac or Windows, click for Windows, download it. So that's the first one. And okay, I'm gonna close this. And so after you uninstall your SD card, so okay, we're gonna format our SD card. So basically, I insert my SD card now, and this is the interface you're gonna get. And what you're gonna do, so before you do this, your SD card, and so we're gonna delete all the data on your SD cards. And so there's nothing important on your SD card before you do this. So you're gonna click quick format, and formatting will erase all the data on this card. So read this and click yes if you wanna go to the deleting all the data. So I'm gonna click yes. Okay, so we're done on that, and we're gonna install the Balena Etcher. So download this, and you're gonna get this kind of interface. Yeah, so this one, you're gonna get this, and just put it on here. And we need to install the Kali Linux image file. So you're gonna go to the offensive security. Okay, wait. Security.com, and click the Raspberry Pi, and click your, okay, so this is the important thing. If you're watching this, so right now it's 2020, so maybe the version change if you watch this video. So this is a 2020 version. You're gonna get it on Kali Linux Raspberry Pi 2, 3, 4. So basically, you can install it on Raspberry Pi 4 and download it and get this image. and you will gonna get this. Okay, so we're done on the installation and getting the image, so we're gonna do the process. Okay, so back to the etcher, so the blush. If you open this, you're gonna select image, so click this image, or select this, select that image, and on your desktop, where is it? Okay, Kali Linux, so click that, and your drive will automatically selected, and flash it. So it's so very easy. Okay, so the installation, it takes time, so we have to wait and until the installation is done. So maybe it takes 2 minutes, so I'm gonna post the video, and yeah, so I think this is the all the step, and after this we're gonna insert only the SD card to your Raspberry Pi, and it will run it on your system. So yeah, I'm gonna post it, and when it's done, so we can go to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so if the installation is done, you're gonna get this one. So blush completed and blush. Okay, so you just remove your SD card, and we're gonna go to our Raspberry Pi. Okay, so we're back, and this is our Raspberry Pi, and we're gonna insert our SD card on here, and we're gonna test it anyway. So yeah, let's do it. So first we're gonna insert our okay, so yeah, it's booting anyway, and okay, and the installation. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you're gonna install Kali Linux on your Raspberry Pi. So thank you for watching. So what's the password? Okay, so the username and the password. So the username is root, and password is TOOR. So you're gonna reverse the root password, and that's your password. So that's the default password for Kali Linux.